Hi, this is Jake Wilson with Conscious Energy Consultants. In today's video, we're going to talk about the role that your roof plays when going solar. Obviously, it's the most important part unless you're getting a pergola or you're not attaching it to your roof. And 95% of cases, the solar panels are going to go on your roof. So that is a very crucial thing to make sure you're aware of what to do and what role it plays when going solar. Now, the direction, and it's called the azimuth, the direction that your roof faces is going to be the determining factor for how many panels you'll need. Now, your shingles are the other side. The most common that you probably have or are familiar with is called the asphalt shingles. That's the very thin ones that are there. There's also stone-covered slate and tile and all these different types of roofs. All this is a factor of how your solar is going to be installed on your roof. Different roofs like tile needs to be mounted very differently versus just asphalt where it can go right through your roof. Each of these is where you want to make sure you have a quality company that knows what they're doing, and you really hopefully will have a workmanship warranty that they're going to guarantee the work that they do whenever it's something that's on or especially penetrating your roof. Now, here's a really good news, especially if you are getting it in 2020 or 2021. With the federal tax credit that you get for going solar, which is 26% in 2020, meaning it has to be fully installed and you have to have what's called permission to operate in 2020. In 2021, it drops down to 22%. So 22% in 2021, 26% in 2020 of the total project costs, you get back as a federal tax credit if you pay federal taxes. If you need your roof done, and so if you've had a hail damage from a hailstorm recently, this is the best time to even look at going solar, because at least the portion of the roof that's covered by the solar panels will be able to be added to the federal tax credit. Even if insurance is covering it from a hail claim, the value of that will be able to be added to your insurance claim or to your federal tax credit. So the roof is always going to have to be inspected. You may think it is now. This is where you also want to have a roofing expert, where we have an entire roofing division that are insurance claim experts that can look and see if there's been storms in the area, and if the roof is in bad shape, we may not be able to put solar on it. So the shape of the roof and the quality that it's in is going to be a huge factor, because if not, you're going to have to repair it because we can't put solar on it and it will not pass a county inspection if the roof is not up to code. Sometimes you actually have to get into the attic and re-brace the roof as well, depending on the age of the home, the slope, and how it is. So your roof is always going to be the part that gets most scrutinized and gets looked at when you go from contract to what's called a site plan. And that's where you're going to want to make sure you have a good expert with a company that you trust that's going to give you the right answers. And if you've had a hailstorm recently and you're looking at getting a new roof, do yourself a favor and at least look at going solar, because it is going to be the best and most affordable and give you the best return for going solar right now. So if you're in Colorado and you happen to have had a recent hailstorm and you're looking at getting a roof, talk to us. We can take care of all of it in one, which is a very unique characteristic of what we can do. And we'd be happily show you how the investment of doing both at the same time will blow you out of the water and make it the best decision that you can make on your home now and for the foreseeable future. For any other questions, you can always email us at info@consciousec.com or go to our website, www.consciousec.com. We're also on Facebook, facebook.com/, you guessed it, ConsciousEC. Comment on the video, anything you have, we're happy to answer, even if it has nothing to do with us as a company. We love answering your general questions at the same time. Look forward to talking to you guys next time in the next video.